plastic trim tool, you want to go ahead and remove the rear sill plate here. On the passenger side rear panel, I'm going to go ahead and unlock the access panel right here, remove that, get in here and pop this little plastic cover off here. I want to go ahead and remove this panel. I'm going to gently grab the plastic and tug outward. Do this all the way till you get to the end. I'm going to go ahead and remove these two 15mm nuts on the top of the shock unit here. I'm going to remove the top one first. I'm going to go ahead and grab our spacer, pull that off, and if you can, go ahead and grab that bushing and separate that. We're just going to go ahead and bonk the top of this. That'll loosen that up. Now if you have your vehicle off the ground or supported with jack stands, you now want to go ahead and put a jack underneath the vehicle. You can go ahead and raise this up and it'll separate the shock from the body. Using a 15/16 deep socket, we're going to go ahead and remove this nut. The bolt head has a lock tab on it, so that should hold it in place. Remove the nut and the washer. Go ahead and grab the shock. Take your new shock. Go ahead and slide that into place. Install the washer and the nut. I'm going to go ahead and snug that down into position. I'm going to go ahead and torque the nut down here to 129 foot-pounds. Now we can go ahead and release the band here. Just going to cut that. The shock will expand in the upward position. I want to go ahead and grab the shock, press that down a little bit. We're going to remove our cap, install our metal washer, and one bushing. So once the tires are on the ground and the body's lowered down a little bit, we can go ahead and position the shock so it goes up inside. Let's go ahead and lower the vehicle down the rest of the way. Go ahead and install the rubber bushing, your washer, and now we'll get our nut studded on there. Let's go ahead and snug that nut down. Now I'll normally tighten down the nut until the rubber bushing just comes up to the diameter or just inside that washer itself, and then we're good. Let's go ahead and lower our trim panel back down inside. And once everything is lined up, go ahead and get your tabs locked back in by just bumping on the panel. Okay, line up your disc trim cap here, just snap that in. Install your trim panel by inserting these tabs into these slots. Pop that in and twist these little knobs horizontal like so. You want to install your sill panel by installing these little plastic clips, line them up and just press this down into place.